Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's episode of Code Conversations, where we dive deep into the world of software development and unpack tools that help us write better code. I'm your host, and today we're shining the spotlight on a fascinating tool called cargo-mutants. If you're a Rust developer or you dabble in programming, you might want to stick around for this one. So what exactly is cargo-mutants? Well, it's a unique testing tool designed to help you improve your program's quality by identifying potential issues where bugs could sneak in, all without causing your existing tests to fail. Sounds like magic, right? But before you dismiss it as just another testing tool, let me explain how it works and why it's so important. Typically, we rely on coverage measurements to see which parts of our code are being tested. However, coverage tells us what code is reached by a test, not whether the test genuinely checks the code's behavior. That's where cargo-mutants steps in. It performs mutation testing, which means it goes a step further by actually tweaking your code in small ways to see if your tests can catch those changes. It's like a little bug sprinkling fairy that helps ensure your tests are robust. Now imagine you've got a piece of code that's essential for your app, and you have a test meant to catch any issues with it. But what if that test is weak or doesn't ensure the behavior is correct? With cargo-mutants, you can find out. This tool acts by generating mutants, altered versions of your code, and then runs your tests against those versions. If your tests pass despite changes that should fail them, that's a red flag. It's a wake-up call to strengthen your tests. One great thing about cargo-mutants is that it's designed to be easy to run on any Rust source tree. You don't need to jump through hoops to get it up and running. Just go into your Rust project and run a command, and voila! You're ready to identify potential pitfalls where bugs might be lurking. Now, for those who might be curious, you can easily install cargo-mutants with a single command using Cargo, the Rust package manager. Or if you prefer, you can grab it from the GitHub releases page. And here's a cool aspect. Cargo-mutants can be integrated into your continuous integration or CI workflows. This means you can automatically test the mutants generated when new code is pushed, which is invaluable for maintaining code quality in ongoing projects. It's like having a safety net that catches you when you might forget to test something important. But here's where I think it gets really interesting. The development community is encouraged to contribute to this tool. If you find it useful or have experiences using it, you can leave your thoughts on the GitHub discussions page. This kind of collaborative approach is so important in software development, as it helps evolve the tools we rely on. Before we wrap up today's chat, let me share a thought-provoking question. How confident are you in your testing strategy? Are you currently using any mutation testing in your workflow? Reflecting on this might spark some ideas for enhancing your approach to coding. So to summarize what we've talked about, cargo-mutants offers a way to make sure your tests are doing their job by introducing small changes to your code and seeing if your tests can catch them. It functions beautifully within Rust projects, integrates seamlessly into CI, and welcomes community involvement for continuous improvement. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope you gained some valuable insights into the importance of robust testing and that you're feeling inspired to try some new approaches in your coding practices. Until next time, keep coding and keep creating.